Make them up. Well, good job. Happy about your yummy milk? Buy the better milk you can possibly buy. All right, cool. Well, I think we should turn you back into kids. Your cute chickens not ready to rest. We should be kids again. All right, ready? Wait, please press the seat on your kids again. You ready for that, you guys? Two little boys and girls. 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 Oh, you're about to be kids again. Oh, thank goodness. We should make extra sure you're actually kids, though, guys. I actually need the kids to stand up. I need the kids to stand up. We have to do a dance that ensures that we are actually kids. And here's how it goes. Then you get all your hands on your head. Feel your head. Make sure your head does not feel like a chicken head. Now touch your shoulders. Make sure your shoulders do not feel like chicken shoulders. You need to touch your knees and make sure that they do not feel like knobby, pretty chicken knees, but actually just cute little kid knees. Now wiggle your toes. Make sure they don't feel like claws. Okay, now look at each other's eyes. Make sure that each other's eyes look like kid eyes, not chicken eyes. Okay, now feel your ears. If you can feel earlobes, that's a really good sign. Good chicken eyes. What about your mouth and nose? Does it seem like a mouth and nose?